Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I moisturize my hair and also get it into a sleek bun. If you're new to my channel guys, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And without wasting more time, let's jump right into the video. So guys, I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and to make sure that my hair is well moisturized, I'll be working in sections today. I'm going in with my spray bottle to spray water all over that section of my hair. For my leave-in, I'm going in with my Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream, and this is the amount I'm going to be using for that section of my hair. So guys, I'm applying the leave-in conditioner onto my hair, and I'm starting from the tips of my hair to the roots of my hair. Now I'm going to massage this into the strands of my hair, making sure that it is well absorbed. Now once every strand of my hair has absorbed the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to go in with my white tooth comb to detangle my hair. To seal in moisture, I'm using my extra virgin olive oil, and I'm applying this to the strands of my hair and also to my scalp. Once I'm done applying all the products to this section of my hair, I'm going to move on to the next section and then repeat the same process all over again. So for this section, I'm going back in with my spray bottle, and then I'm spraying water all over that section of my hair. So guys, I'm applying the leave-in conditioner onto my hair, and I'm going to work this into the strands of my hair, making sure that my hair has absorbed the leave-in conditioner. Now once that is done, I'm going to go in with my extra virgin olive oil to seal in the moisture. And I'm going to use my white tooth comb to detangle my hair. My hair feels well detangled and moisturized, guys. If I didn't mention, this is my first time using the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner, and my hair absolutely loves it. So right now I'm moving on to the next section, and I'm going to repeat the same process all over my entire head. So guys, I'm detangling the last section of my hair after I've applied my leave-in conditioner and my olive oil. Finally guys, I'm done moisturizing the whole hair. So right now I'm going to show you guys how I achieve a sleek bun on my type 4C hair. I'm going in with my aloe vera coil activator gel from Source for Value. You can use any gel you have that is available to you. I was perceiving the gel guys, and it was smelling very funny. The smell wasn't bad, but it wasn't great also. I'm also taking a hairbrush to use wherever I apply the gel. Now I'm taking the gel all over the perimeter of my hairline. I'm going to keep applying the gel all over the perimeter of my hairline until I'm sure that I have the right amount of gel that I need to get my hair as sleek as possible. So guys, once I'm satisfied with the amount of gel I've applied, I'm going to go in with my hairbrush to smooth out all the edges where I applied the gel, and I'm going to brush my hair in the direction of where I want my bun to be in. So guys, I'm using a drawstring I got from a material. This is what I'm going to use to tighten and hold my bun. So I'm going to tie this all over my hair, and then I'm going to pull at both ends. Depending on how tight I want the bun to be, I'm going to keep pulling and pushing up until I've achieved the style in which I want the bun to be in. So guys, I'm going to keep on with the pulling and pushing of the drawstring. Once I'm satisfied with how the placement of the bun is looking, then I'm going to go ahead to tie the drawstring behind the back of my head. So once I'm done tying the drawstring at the back of my hair, I'm going to tuck in the rest of the drawstring. So guys, after we're done with the drawstrings, I'm going to go into the process of molding and shaping the bun into the desired style I want it to be in. So guys, I'm going in with my white tooth comb to pull at the tips of my hair. This will make the bun look even fuller than what it was before. So after I'm done with the white tooth comb, I'm going to go in with my hand to shape and mold the hair into the actual style I want it to be. Not necessarily the actual style, but to make everything more aligned and more symmetrical. So guys, I'm just using my hand to shape my hair into the style I want it to be in, and I'm tucking in any parts that I see it sticking out. Basically, I'm just making everything aligned together. So guys, this is how I achieved my sleek bun. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section down below what other hair tutorial videos you'd like to see me do. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.